Lokoja.
Lord. NICN. LKG 1M 2022 Twin Sunday Paul and 1 Kogi State Government, 2 Kogi State Polytechnic, 3 Governing Council State Polytechnic, 4 Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice. The applicant is in court, my lord. Respondent.
The applicant is present. Eh?
Yes, my lord.
Appearance.
Respondent.
May it please me, Lord. My name is Austin Oboni.
Recording in progress.
Oh, Lord, I appear for the applicant, sir.
Any other appearance? New for the respondent. Go ahead.
Profound humility, my Lord. Truly.
Who is there?
Appearing for the
Who is appearing for the respondent?
Stanley E. Atule, my Lord. For the respondent. Appearing with me is Joy Momodu.
You are with who?
Joy Momodu, my Lord.
Joy who?
Joy Momodu.
Joy what?
Joy Momodu.
Omodi.
Yes, my lord.
Mamodu. M-A-M-U-D-U, my Lord.
His surname is M-U-D-U.
My Lord.
The surname of Joy, you said is M-U-D-U.
M-A.
Write it in the chat box.
M-U.
Okay, I have it. Mamudu.
Yes,
Go ahead. Mr. Oboni. Mr. Oboni.
My Lord. As you said that. However, sir, we are not ready to proceed with the application, sir.
You're not ready to proceed with the application.
Yes, my Lord, sir.
What's your reason or your reasons?
Yes, sir. Then we are negotiating how to settle the matter of court, sir.
Eh?
We are negotiating settlement, sir. The possibility of settlement of court.
You are doing what? Proposing settlement.
Yes, sir. We are proposing and we are negotiating it, sir.
Eh? Why don't you get close to the system you are using on with this virtual sitting? Get close to it and let me.
I'm sorry, sir. I think. Milord, sir, I said the matter is for here, but we are not ready to proceed. As we are making effort to see that the matter will be taken out of court, sir.
Parties are making effort
Very well, Milord.
to do what?
To settle the matter out of court, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. On this note, sir, we shall be asking for a very short agreement, sir.
Mr. Achule, do you confirm that?
Yes, my lord. That's the position, my lord.
Very well. So what date?
A date in March will be okay, sir.
Court registrar.
March.
Fifteenth.
Yes, my lord. 1-5.
The 15th of March will not be convenient for me. No, 15th will not be convenient for me.
So what date? Your learned friend may come to court. Two of you appeared in this case today, since it will be for
Okay,
report
it's
of
okay, my lord.
settlement.
It's okay. It's okay, my lord. It's okay, my lord.
It is in the light of the above that this case is adjourned to 15/3/2022 for report of settlement.
As God
That's what pleases.
Call the next case.
NICN LKJ 08/2021 between Zakari Yusuf Siru and Healthstone HMO Limited. Parties are absent, my lord.
Appearances. Appearances.
With profound humility to this honorable court, my name is Paul Asimiakioka.
Spell the surname.
ASIMIAKPEOKHA. Asimiakioka.
You are for who?
With me is
You are for who?
for the defendant. We are for the defendant.
No appearance for the claimant.
There is me, Lord.
Should have waited for the claimant.
I thought the claimant is not
As
there.
God
Okay, let
pleases.
me go for him.
Go ahead, learned counsel to the claimant.
As God pleases. May it please this honorable court. Suleiman Haliru.
Suleiman.
Suleiman Haliru. Appearing for the claimant, sir.
Very well. So now, Mr.
Yes.
Paul Asamo.
With profound humility to this honorable court, my name is Paul Asimiakioka. With me is Nena Oko. Nena Oko. Oko is spelled OKO. Our humble appearance for the defendant, who is absent. We apologize for the defendant.
Very well. Mr. Haliru, the matter
Yes,
is for
ma'am.
hearing.
As God pleases. You know, pleading has not closed, and we are not ready for the hearing of the case today because we reply to the statement of defense of the defendant,
Eh?
sir. The case is slated for
Because
hearing on
of
the court
what?
list. The case is slated for hearing on the court list today. However, pleading hasn't closed
Why? You haven't
because
filed your reply to the defense.
as court pleases, and we've done that now.
Why? Because the court ordered you to do that.
Yes, sir. We did that. We know that we are out of time, so we filed a motion for enlargement of time together with our reply, sir.
When did you file it?
We filed yesterday, sir.
And that doesn't mean that you cannot proceed today.
As court pleases.
So pleadings are settled.
As court pleases.
So where is your witness?
Our witness is not in court now. It's outside the jurisdiction of this honorable. We are so sorry for that, sir.
Said you filed your reply yesterday. Court registrar. I can't find it in the process.
My lord, he filed yesterday afternoon and there was no way for us to send it to Abuja that yesterday. Filed around 2 p.m.
Mr. Aliru,
Yes,
I'm
my lord.
going to adjourn this matter to the next legal year.
As court pleases.
And you are happy for that. And I'm going to award a personal cost against you for failing to exercise due diligence and obey the order of court to file your reply before now.
We are so sorry for that, my lord.
Because you are happy that I'm adjourning the matter to the next legal year?
Sorry, my lord, I didn't comprehend so fast. I assimilated the next legal year to mean next month, sir. I'm so sorry for that. So many things on me, my lord. You are so sorry, sir.
Mr.
Yes, my
Simeon
lord.
Pioha, are you in receipt of the reply?
We are not in receipt of the reply. As at this morning, I was telling my colleague that we have not received any reply against the order of the court at the last sitting. We also have preliminary objections. We have not also received any response from them. Perhaps they want to reply a point of law, but we have not received anything.
Mr. Suleiman.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we've
Did
mobilized.
you hear what Mr. Simeon Pioha said?
Very well, sir. But we've mobilized the.
So why haven't you filed your response to the notice of preliminary objection?
I don't think we are in receipt of that, sir. If not, we would have filed together with.
I'm not in receipt of the notice of preliminary objection.
My lord, we filed a reply on notice of preliminary objection.
When?
Is together with the process we filed yesterday.
Well, they are yet to receive copies.
Yes, sir. However, we've mobilized the belief of this honorable court to do that, sir.
Any objection to adjournment?
We have no objection to adjournment.
Very well. So
However,
what date?
we shall be asking for cost, because the claimant has, from the records of the court, has shown unserious attitude.
Cost from who?
From the claimant.
Or his counsel.
And his counsel. Both the,
or his counsel who has failed to do his and perform his duties, professional duties on behalf of his client.
Because he was in court at the last sitting. So we're asking for cost from the counsel representing the client, the claimant.
And how are you sure that he won't collect it from the claimant? Mr. Aliru, what's your reaction to the issue of cost personally, and what I mean that counsel to the defendant is personally asking?
We are not conceding to that, sir.
Be awarded against you.
We shall be objecting to that, sir.
On what basis?
Thank you, Lord.
On what basis?
You say on what basis? I want to reply now. Firstly, my Lord, the counsel to the defense haven't cited any provision of law to award that cost. And secondly, our reply to statement of defense of the defendant is brought under the provision of Order 1205D of the National Industrial Court Civil Procedure Rules 2017. However, we are out of time, sir, and we filed a motion for extension of time.
You said, however,
we are out of time to file our reply to the defense to the statement of defense of the defendant, sir. And we filed a motion for extension of time before this honorable court. So on this basis, sir, we are still within the confines of law. We know that we lack some diligence and devotion in prosecuting this matter, but we beg for leniency from this honorable court, sir. As we are still within the confines of law, we've done what is ought to be done, sir, and it's before this honorable court, sir. So on this premise, sir, we beg your lord to refuse the application of counsel to the defendant.
When did you start practicing?
As court pleases. 2020, sir.
And are you on your own, or you are in working with someone?
I'm working with someone, sir.
You took out this process. Let me see. The complaint was Aliu. Aliu?
That's my principal, sir.
And your name is not on the list as one of the counsel in this case.
Sir, on. I didn't get that. On what, sir? Okay.
When this matter is adjourned, tell your principal that he should personally be in court at the next adjourned date.
As court pleases.
Because number one, you don't even know how to address the court properly. What I said was that your name is not on the list of counsel that is appearing in this case. It's only the name of Aliu that I have.
Yes, sir. Maybe before
and you didn't announce your appearance as holding brief for Aliu.
When this matter started, I haven't joined in, sir.
Like I said, tell him to come to the court after next sitting.
As God pleases.
What date, court registrar?
Of April. 25th of April, my lord.
Is it convenient to parties? Are you sure we wouldn't be on vacation by then? The Easter break.
My lord, it's not convenient. It's not convenient.
26th is not convenient. So what date is convenient? What register? What other date do I have to? I have sitting in Nokaja.
25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, my lord, of April.
25, 26, 27.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, it's not convenient. We're in a federal high court for a criminal matter, 25th, 26th, 27th.
No date in March.
My lord, we are sitting in March. Those dates my lord has up to 4 or 5 hearings each day.
Fix just one day in March for it. Anytime 17th, I have about 4 or 3.
17th March, my lord.
17th
Yes,
March.
Yes, my lord.
Is it convenient to parties?
It's convenient, sir.
It's convenient, my lord. 17th March.
The agreement of council case adjourned to 17/3/2022 for definite hearing. No award as to costs.
As God pleases. You are most grateful, my lord.
Like I said, Mr. Aliru, your principal should be in court at the next adjournment on the 17th of March.
As God pleases.
Call the next case.
NICM LKJ 32/2020 between Aminu Tijani and Dangote Cement PLC. Claimant is in court, my lord. Defendant
Appearances. Counsel.
May it please, my lord. I'm B.M. Musa.
You are for?
I'm not my parents, Lord.
Very well. Any other appearance?
The defendant absent in court and not represented.
Court registrar, did you issue hearing notice and do you have proof?
Yes, my lord. Yes, sir.
Okay, the matter is for hearing. There is proof of service of the hearing notice on the defendant.
Yes, my lord.
Are you ready to proceed?
My lord, we regret to inform the court we shall not be going on this morning.
What reason?
My lord, the defendants have approached The defendant has approached us for settlement.
Okay.
We crave the indulgence of the court to enable meeting, Lord.
What date?
17th March, my lord.
Are you sure by then you will have resolved this matter? Or an April date?
An April date will be more convenient, my lord.
What registrar suggests an April date?
26th of April.
2/5 or 2/6?
2/6, my lord.
It is in the light of the above that this case is adjourned to 26/4/2022 for report of settlement. Learned counsel is to inform the defense counsel of this date. Call the next case. Next case.
and LKJ 01/2020 between Aola and Nusa and 1 Variable Policy 2 Bompak Gold Concept Limited. Parties are absent, my lord. Parties are absent.
Huh?
Parties are absent, my lord.
The claimant is in court. First and second defendants are absent. They are absent. Yeah. Second, sorry. Idigbe Power PLC cannot be a person. Yes, represented by Akinlade Joseph. Very well. Counsel. Appearances. You are. Any other appearance? Cheers, what? Rahim. Yes. Rahim. Jennifer, what? Jennifer, for the defendants. Oh, for the first.
My name is Habib Oredola. Habib Oredola.
From Lagos.
Yes, my name
Lagos.
Utmost humility I must mention that it's a privilege to appear again before my Lord. We appeared severally before my Lord in Lagos, and that period was a formative stage of my practice. What I learned from my Lord's voice added so much value to my life. My Lord, every now and then we go back to the processes we filed, and the rulings my Lord delivered then in Lagos as a reference. Twice, I have the occasion of knowledge. God will continue to strengthen the body.
Thank you very much. You are with who in this case today? You are representing the second defendant alone. Okay. You are with who? Very well. The matter is for definite hearing today and tomorrow. So, claimant counsel, are you ready? Provide your witness. How was it filed? Statement on oath. Are you in receipt of this application, claimant and Mr. Oredola? So move in terms. Very well. Community Esquire, no objection. Mr. Oredola.
No objection, my Lord.
Order is as prayed. Is that all? Is that the only application?
Yes, ma'am. I don't think I have another
one. When? Let me look at it. August, 6th of August. And that's why I'm looking at it. It can be at it. It can be taken together with the main suit. And the court will decide on the notice of plenary objection first before proceeding into the main suit. So call your witness. Administer the oath. Swear with the Holy Go ahead, learned counsel. Straight to his sworn deposition. Go straight to the testimony already before the court. Yes, 12th day of July. Very well. Go ahead. Very well. Bring out the documents, except if Rahim Esquire and Doredola Esquire has no objection. Which are the documents? Which particular? Just identify. I hope you have arranged it as listed. So just bring out the particular one or ones that you intend to. Just a minute. So the letter dated mm-hmm. 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 Adoy. A-D-O-Y. Letter. Mm-hmm. 2014. Mm-hmm. 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 You're objecting to that as well. If it has to do with laying on foundation, why don't you let it be properly tendered? Except if your objection is. Oh, okay.
So the history of him has worked with her.
Okay. So your contention is that they are not relevant. Ominike Esquire, or you want Mr. Redola to, Mr. Redola, do you have objection to it?
I will respectfully align myself with Ibrahim. We have the duty to bring the attention of important legal issues. We have reviewed these documents and they are not relevant to the current action before my local law, which is a course of action. It's a course of action alleged to have arisen in 2019. For the judgment related to the contract
You said the action was alleged to have accrued when?
I said the basis of the current course of action is alleged to have arisen in 2019.
Okay, 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Therefore, document of 2010 Power Holding Company of Nigeria Limited, several other companies are limited, are documents which we can, they are not relevant to these proceedings.
Okay.
And we are also not able to either challenge your test or otherwise. This is the basis of our.
Very well. Very well. Ominike Esquire. Speak out. Mm-hmm. 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 Four, 5. 4, 5, 6 of what? 45 subsection 6 or section 400 and okay, because I'm wondering of the Evidence Act. Very well.
Why did you want it? I would have taken it.
Very well.
Thank you. Thank you. Next time I will give you more.
Let me have the documents.
I'll print it.
Wakoja, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. The court is in section here in Abuja, hearing Lokoja matters. So please. Didn't put the dates of the letters. Court register. Oh. The documents are admitted in evidence and marked as Exhibit L to L10. All the documents sought to be tendered are admitted in evidence at this stage. And if at the point of writing his judgment, it is discovered that any of them is found irrelevant as proceeded by Nigerian Defense Council, it shall be expunged from its record. Mm-hmm. To grant your prayers. Is that all? To you want to have brought everything in. No. Bring it in. Mm-hmm. Which year? Mm-hmm. 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 Very well.
This is contract. We should add them together.
If they are separated. They are lifted.
This one is one piece of this.
Very well. For examination. Mm-hmm. We file this action because and you said yes. Mm-hmm.
Is there any contract of employment between you and Gary for 2019? Yes, there is.
No, wait. What date was that appointment? Was it in 2019?
Do you understand your question and the answer? I said in 2019, on track of employment, contract of employment, Sapazawa and gave power for 2019.
Mm-hmm.
When the contract between Mr. Sapazawa and gave power. He said the contract between Mr. Sapazawa and Geregu.
Between you and Geregu. Huh? Name Bunta.
Yes, but Geregu gave it to me, but I didn't see Bunta. All the country was
no, he's not talking about Bunta now. He's talking about Geregu. She mentioned Geregu.
Yes.
That is there any contract between you, contract of employment between you and Geregu in 2019? And you said yes.
Yes.
She's now asking, where is the contract? Where is that document?
The document is that
Is before the court? Mm-hmm. Court registrar. You should be done by now. Go ahead. Show the witness all the documents. All the documents to the claimant.
Yourself and Geregu for 2019 has been tendered. Can you bring it up? Between Sapazawa and Geregu power 2019.
General counsel for the claimant, is there anything before the court in that regard? So there's no document before the court.
The document is referring to and was given to me by Bunta showed that Bunta is working for.
Which document is that? Dated what date? Is that the letter?
I think it's what
Letter counsel. That's the document. What exhibit number is that? Okay, very well. So leave that. Mm-hmm.
I don't want to read pictures. I need paragraph 2.1.
Mm-hmm. Let me have the case file.
I just want to, because
Very well. You can talk to that in your final address. Go ahead. Oh, that's all for you.
Yes,
very well.
Have any contract of employment between yourself and Mumtaz?
What do you mean by physically or by name?
I work for Benin. So everything they will give to me, it's the name of somebody which I never know or ever see. All my everything that they are asking.
But your employment, the contract which you have before this honorable court is between yourself and Mumtaz. Yes or no? Yes or no? When I asked the question, I just need to move on to another question. You work for Gary.
That's exhibit what?
L6.
Okay.
By that contract of employment, your primary employer in that document, I'm not asking of where you work physically, but your primary employer is Mumtaz. By document which you yourself brought to this already.
Is it true or false?
I'll come to that. We understand. The idea of the fact recognition. You were seconded to the recruit where you worked.
True or false? Okay, explain, come down to his.
I'll explain to you. You were working at the office of the recruit.
Yes.
Well, your primary employer was Mumtaz. Anyway, let's move on from the question. Now, do you know Mr. Simpa Shehu? Yes. You don't know.
Simpa Shehu.
Yes, ma'am. Were you invited by the second defendant on 29th, 7 May 2019?
To where?
The Mumtaz office.
20, only 20 what?
29th May 2019. Mumtaz office. No, sorry, 27th May.
27th May.
May 2019. No. So you don't know anybody named Simpa Shehu. Are you sure? Are you sure you're under oath? Mr. Simpa Shield. Mr. Lawal, you're under oath, sir.
Yes, my boss.
Huh? Is your boy?
Yes, my colleagues.
Works under it.
Mm-hmm.
Tell the honorable court your role, your functions, what's your designation. What were you doing at the renewable power plant? What were you doing there?
Eh?
He said Simpa Shield. Was he your team member?
Work in the same shift.
You work in the same shift.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Warzawa, by virtue of your training, are you aware that there are CCTV cameras all over the relevant perimeters of your workplace?
Yes.
Are you aware of the incidents that happened on the 12th of May 2019 and 14th of May 2019? Are you aware of the incidents that happened at precisely 11 p.m. at night or thereabouts? Can you recollect
Which they say that
were you on duty on 12th of May 2019?
Okay. Come. Okay. Still coming to my truck.
and we have a lot of another things happening around.
Oh, wait. The question was, are you aware of what happened on the 12th of May, 2019?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell this honorable court what happened on the 12th of May 2019?
Okay. Honorable court, I understand now I need to support
No. Listen to
I'm coming. I need to tell you what happened. I'm coming to that.
On that night,
myself.
Witness, you need to understand. This is a courtroom, and I'm not against it. But just here doing our activity. You need to really understand that. So please, when I ask questions, you limit your responses to the questions. Can you tell us what happened around 11 p.m. on 12 May 2019?
What happened around 11 2019? As a safety officer, who worked with the power plant, which I was transferred to Abuja here. So what we need here, our role here is to push away any another thing that's coming to the office. So I was on duty on that day, the night. So there's something on the 6, which we advise we should buy something to do because normally when it's wrong, we drain it and flush it with water. So now I advise we should bring something that we can restore it because sometimes when we are not on duty and when we are not closer, the thing compressed, the thing is very flammable.
It's very what?
Very flammable.
Okay.
It's very flammable. So we now advise we should buy from the manager so we put it inside the door. So that when you rent it, when you fill the door, now it will be there, turn it and flush it with water. So that takes the because they move it to the where there's fuel or where they store fuel, and they move the tank to where they see the where they store fuel, see the tank where they store that policy. So on that day I was on that day. So because when it's full, it will start coming out, and any small mistake, fire and catch them. So now I now call my boy. I say, this is what is happening here. So what do we do? So because about that issue, that incident about because I fuel drum near that fire there the concept storage. I now ask the boy. I now ask them, don't have firewall, which is security here. I now ask them, so I want to evaluate this thing because we never to make it level so that that thing will not be coming out because that's there. So, which I don't know that anyone who wants it, because me, I cannot throw it away. Anyone who wants it to bring any gift so they now responsible to like and now give it to them. That night, because we don't have anybody to us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So now what happened?
So you're confirming now that you were indeed in company of Mr. Simpashu, went into the premises and you took the condensate to give them away. Is that correct? No. Is that correct?
Yes.
I understand your concern. They may be genuine. But did you have the authorization of any employers before you took those actions?
As a fire service officer, if you are rich, if there's any fire coming out, one will have several things in our, not only me, anyone who are rich. If there's such thing like this, the best thing either is throw it away, or you find it to move it out from the premises. So that is our duty. So we directly order us in fire service here in that company. So if there's anything, all the department involved, that's all my colleagues involved, because all of them have
let's address the issue. Now, after you decided to go into the premises,
I was inside the premises already. No, I'm not. I'm inside the premises already.
After you decided to take condensate and gas products without authorization, did you report to the company the following day? You make any report?
I write the report where our notebook. I write the day before I left because I was on night.
That you took away the condensate.
I evacuate the condensate because this is what is happening. Because when we bring it out, we throw it out. And if the data like this, when I say the data like this, we now invite NGC, they will now give it to them. But the night, I know it at the NGC because we have to throw it away. We will bring it out and throw it away. And flush it with water so that
let me ask you, is there anywhere before this honorable report that you reported to your employers that you have taken away the condensate? We've listened to your explanations.
I said I was online.
Is there any document, please?
Check what I check my record.
I've asked you.
The question is, you have it in court, that logbook that you reported it in. Did you bring it to court?
I didn't bring that one in court.
Okay.
Whatever I did in right,
it's not before the court. Now, did you receive any query in respect of your actions?
No.
Or Mr. Simpashu received the query and faced the panel. Is that correct? would you say it is the common practice that when you're on night duty as a fire service officer, to take out items without the authorization of the employer?
Okay, it's only, I say when we are like, if that thing overcome, because staff time that normally come, not always come.
And you're also admitting before this honorable court that you did not render any report subsequently to the employer. No. What you said. So the second thing, what happened?
It's a normal thing, so I didn't know whether it is possible.
Witness, can you listen to me and answer my question? After this incident of 4th May and 14th May, did you resume at your place of work?
Yes.
And you explained to your employers what transpired?
I explained to them. Say, okay, no problem. And I explained to what happened, which I did. I continue my work.
So those products you took away from workplace, what happened to them? You threw them away, those sold, you give them to people, buy them. You took items that do not belong to you.
I told you, so no one point here. If there is any evidence of narcissism we are talking about, we should invite the previous time when we are told it to have pushed water. So the natural thing for us to push the water.
Without paragraph 6. Start from in reply to
Paragraph what?
Yes, this is your words. You continue in your statement of goals. You said they asked you to do.
Not to go outside. Now things I continue to work because I was I work for night after a morning. So when they call me, I tell them what happened. It's my own responsibility that is 50. As if I am. You see, okay, no problem issue. Go back to your 50 posts, which I continue working. I work for almost 3 months. It was after my leave. Nobody answered me. I carry them to
So wait, what you said in this paragraph 6 was that when you went back after your leave, Geregu asked you to go and that they will call you back, that they will call you, that you should go. That's what you said.
In paragraph 7, in further reply to paragraph 9 of the statement of the claimant did not call the claimant back and deny the claimant to entitled.
So they ask you to go home.
No. Because what happened is salary, I compare salary. So when I wrote salary, continue working. So later after I left, after I went to my office.
Now I put it. What do you want the court to see? Be your witness statement of oath or what you're saying?
Oath is to go, not to go home.
Paragraph 7 of your witness statement of oath. You said it that you were denied. The claimant did not call you back to work and denied you. Now you're saying you continue working. Which one do you want the court to rely on? Your evidence in the box or your witness statement of oath?
On which one? Okay.
So if the court is to rely on your witness statement of oath, it is correct to say that since July that you went to leave, you have not gone back to work since then. Is that correct?
Since when? July?
Since July, when you went on leave, you did not resume back to work with first or second dependent till date. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Any re-examination? Mm-hmm.
Are you still working? Have you been going to work?
Look at you. You want to open another case. He had said that he has not gone back to work since the time he resumed back from leave. No, that since July when he went on leave, he has not resumed back to the defendant. So why are you now saying that?
He resumed and complained at the point after the
That's what he said earlier. Then when he was shown his pleading, his statement on oath, paragraph 6 and 7, he said they should take that. And what paragraph 6 and 7 says was that since that time, he has not gone back to work. Is that the claimant's case, or you have another witness? CW, you are discharged. Your case is closed. So tomorrow, case stands adjourned to tomorrow for definite defense. Very well. Back to Lokoja. Or the next case.
Yes, my lord. 2020.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Defendants absent.
Is claimant in court?
All the claimants are in court, my lord.
Appearances.
We do difference with this local court. My name is Michael O. I announce my appearance for the claimants.
Michael O. Olorumola.
Olorumola, yes, my lord.
My
appearance is for all the claimants.
Very well. Any other appearance?
Yes, my lord. With profound respect to this honorable court, I'm O.W. Obaidu.
Very well.
My lord, I'm appearing with I.C. Duke.
I.C.
Duke.
Duke.
D-U-K-E, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Very well. For the claim, for the defendants?
All the defendants, my lord.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Lord, the matter is slated to be for continuation of hearing, particularly for the defendant to cross-examine the plaintiff, the claimants.
CW.
Yes.
Very
CW.
well.
Yes.
Invite CW.
Yes. My lord,
you are at liberty to leave the courtroom if you want to. Mm-hmm.
Lord, sorry, my lord. The matter is originally stated for continuation of hearing, my lord. But
yes.
we tried our best to apply for the record of proceeding for that particular day, of which we're not aware of. We missed the sitting of the court. My lord, that at the moment, we've not gotten the record of proceeding for this.
Recording in progress.
It will be pretty difficult for us, my lord, to cross-examine the witness, considering that we have not gotten the records to know what happened.
Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Basically, what happened was that the claimant adopted his sworn deposition, which is already before the court, a copy of which you have, and tender documents already front-loaded. That's all. That's all what transpired at the last sitting.
The documents and we were thinking
I can't hear you, Mr. Obaido.
We're thinking to be proper for us to have at least the list of the documents to know everything that happened on that day.
And counsel, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, my lord.
That CW1, Honorable Folarunsho Idayo, adopted a sworn deposition, which is already before the court, which has been front-loaded and served on you.
Yes, my lord.
On 12th of November 2021. And the tender documents were already listed and front-loaded before the court. They were admitted and marked as SBD to D6. That's all what transpired.
Okay. Okay, then we could know the document.
And the case was adjourned to today for cross-examination.
As the court pleases.
Fully.
Who get the documents? Oh, we want to apply the documents then.
Very well. Court registrar, hand over the document standard to learned counsel for the defendant. Do you have the exhibits that, Mr. Obaido, you have the documents?
Yes, my lord.
Very well. So why is CW1? CW1. I want to see you in the witness box. I want to see him in the witness box.
Yes, my lord. Box already.
Is there already?
Yes, my lord.
Let me see him. Court registrar.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, do you remember that on the 6th of December 2021, you swore to speak the truth? Do you remember?
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Do you still want to stand on that oath?
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Well, Mr. Obaido, continue.
Just a moment, my lord.
Go ahead.
I am Honorable Folorunsho Emmanuel Dayo.
Mr. Obaido.
Yes, my lord.
I'm waiting.
You told the Honorable Court that you were councillors from 2013 to 2016. Am I correct to say you're in office? Lord, he told the court that he was councillor from 2013 to 2016. I just want him to confirm that.
Yes, I was the councillor representing my ward.
That were in office from 2013 to 2016. That they were in office from 2013 to 2016.
As a councillor and a council leader from 2013 to 2016.
Wait, Mr. Baido.
Yes,
you confirm to the court if they were in court, I mean, they were in what? They were in office between when and when?
Between 2013 to 2016.
I can't hear you.
Between
Why don't you speak to your
between
your tablet?
2013 to 2016.
20 what?
13 to 2016.
2013 to 2016. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
So go to the next question.
Are you aware of the judgment of the court of the Kogi State High Court sitting in Kotokape, delivered on the 8th of December 2014?
I'm aware.
You are aware of that? Can you tell?
Are you aware of the judgment?
I'm aware.
Learned Counsel.
I'm asking.
Are you aware of the judgment of
the Kogi State High Court sitting in Kotokape, delivered on the 8th of December 2014, my lord?
Delivered on 28/12/20
what? My lord. 8th of December 2014.
8th December 2014.
Yes, my lord.
And he said yes.
Yes, my lord.
Uh-huh.
In the light of that document, do you speak clearly that you are in office from 2013?
Uh-huh.
In the light of the judgment, he just confirmed. Is this still saying before the court, after taking an oath to say the truth, that he was in office from 2013 to 2016?
But I think
that it was what?
My lord, is this still saying to the honorable court that he was in office from 2013 to 2016, my lord?
Okay.
But I think you are aware that the judgment was set aside.
Are you still saying you were in office?
Yes, because of the setting aside of the judgment by the appeal court.
Well, he's saying there was never a time he was out of office. That from 2013 to 2016, they were councillors and there was never a time they were out of office. Am I correct? Is that your position?
I can't understand you.
You are saying there was never a time you were out of office.
But you said a judgment.
Yes or no? There was never a time you were out of office from 2013 to 2016.
After the judgment.
There was never a time.
I cannot just say yes or no.
What you want.
So after the judgment, we appealed the ruling. And I think you are aware that in October 2015, the judgment of December 2014 was set aside by the Court of Appeal in Abuja.
So the judgment, so you came back to office after the judgment. So are you still saying you were in office from that time to 2016?
But
please talk to the court.
Yes,
just
give
us a yes or no answer.
According to the ruling of the Court of Appeal, it says that I'm in office from 2013 to 2016. That's the tenure of my office and my colleagues.
Very well.
Thank you, Milan. Please, can you tell the court on what particular day you came back to office? On one particular day you assumed office after the judgment?
We resume back to the office after the Court of Appeal ruling in Abuja in October 2015.
My Lord, they resumed back to office. They resumed back to office.
In October 2012. 2010.
2015.
In October 2015.
Yes, my Lord.
Very well.
Thank you, my Lord. Are you aware of the revenue remuneration scheme used for paying off? Is he aware of the revenue remuneration scheme used for payment of councillors?
I'm quite aware.
Of the revenue mobilization what?
Scheme, my Lord.
Scheme.
Yes, my Lord.
Used for
the payment of councillors.
Payment of
councillors, another political officer.
Councillors, okay.
Yes, my Lord, another political officer, political and judicial officer. Please, can you tell the court?
You know, the council is directly under the House of Assembly. And the revenue mobilization, the letter written.
Please, can you just tell the court?
Excuse me, sir.
Law allow him.
I'm not a lawyer. So if
okay,
you are talking about the law,
he doesn't know, my Lord.
I'm not a lawyer. But I
Learned counsel, Mr. Baido, let the witness talk.
Yes, my Lord.
So you said you are aware of the revenue mobilization scheme used for payment of salaries of councillors.
Is that what you're saying?
I'm aware of the one given to the council by the Kogi State House of Assembly.
Which year was that?
Office.
Which one was that?
The one given to us in 2013.
Which one? That's what my Lord is asking.
It's with you there. And I think my counsel is the best position to explain further.
My Lord?
Very well.
So he's saying he's not aware of the name. He cannot identify to the court.
I can identify.
No,
I have noted what he said. Go ahead, let me cancel.
We're moving ahead, my Lord. My Lord, just one more question, two more questions, my Lord, I'll be done with it.
No more question.
No, just two more questions to
okay, go ahead.
To go, my Lord. Just a moment. Mr. Honorable Colonel, sorry. Are you aware of the terms of settlement? I'm talking, my Lord. The terms of settlement between First Bank of Nigeria and Honorable Erika Olukola and others.
And Honorable?
My Lord, IREKERA. Erika.
IREHIA.
KERA.
IRAE.
RA.
Write it in the chat box. Okay. IRWKERA. Olukoya.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm asking, are you aware
and 12 others?
Yes, I'm 12 others. And that says Bank
Okay.
of
Very well. So are you aware of the terms of settlement between them?
Filed on the 17th of December 2018.
My lord, the name is not correct.
Okay, please help the court.
I'm not aware of that name, my lord.
You're not aware of?
The name is not correct.
Okay, the one you're aware of.
The one I'm aware is Irukera Olukoya.
Well,
and others.
Yes, we're talking about the same person.
Thank you. I'm aware of that.
Thank
the
you.
Terms of settlement between the First Bank, Access Bank, and Yagba West local government and the 12 others to that matter. You know,
just a minute. Just a minute. You are aware of is it a terms of settlement you said between Urukera, Olukoya?
Yes, my
and
lord.
12 others. 12 others. Those 12 others, are they members of the House of Assembly? I mean, the council, the councillors?
Yes, my lord, they are members.
And the First Bank of Nigeria?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And are you a member of that? Were you a part of that?
I cannot
Mr.
just say
Baido,
yes or no.
Use your phone or whatever you're using, because you can see that I'm hearing the witness very well, but I can't hear you, possibly because you are far a bit away.
I'm very sorry.
Go ahead. So what's your question now?
Were you a party to that?
I'm not a party to that, but I was the one leading them. So I'm quite aware. I'm very much into it, but I'm not one of the 12. But I was the council leader, so they must carry me along. So I am aware, but I'm not one of the 12.
And you're aware of the terms of the settlement?
Yes, very much.
My lord, he was aware of the terms of the settlement, Miller. Lord,
very well.
Before
is that all?
No, just a question more to go, Lord. Just one more question to go, Lord.
One more question. Go ahead.
Just one more question.
That'll be all.
That'll be all for much.
Any re-examination for CW?
Lord, there's no
Very well. Is that the case for the claimants, or you still have another witness?
Lord, we have more witness.
You have?
We have one more witness.
One more witness.
Yes, Lord.
So CW1, you are discharged.
Yes, Lord.
For the second witness. Or the second witness.
I'm a Christian.
Okay, I, Honorable Babalola, said.
Lord, before we the next week, Lord.
Who is talking to the court?
This is Clemens.
Olarumola.
Yes, Lord.
Uh-huh.
Lord, we have a very humble and innocent application before this honorable court.
When did you file it?
It was filed, Lord, on the 9th day of April. 9th day of February 2022.
9th of when?
9th of February.
It's not yet here. Let me see. 9th of February.
Yes, Lord. It has been filed and filed.
What is the application about?
Yes, my Lord, the application is just to file a very an amendment on our originating process. Is to amend particular.
To amend what?
Our originating processes.
You are seeking to amend your originating processes.
We are particularly the statement of complaint and the witness statement on oath of the second defendant. Second claimant.
The general form of complaint and the witness of the second witness.
Yes.
I don't have it. Court registrar, why haven't you sent this process? I don't have the processes here in Abuja. They said they filed since the 9th of February. Today is the 22nd. Why haven't you sent them? Check if it's there. Your process is not before me. Mr. Biden, are you in receipt of the application?
No, when you receipt of the application.
Do you have any objection, Mr. Biden?
No, we're not having an objection. Except we're not having we are not objecting to the application.
You're not objecting to it.
Yes, Lord.
But I need to have copies in the case file. They are not here.
As the court pleases.
Court registrar, can you talk to the court? Okoja.
Yes, my lord. I will have to find out from the DR. What really happened? I'll have to find out from the DR.
Well, we can't continue, so we have to take another date. What date?
26th of April. Okay.
Lord, subject to my Lord.
What date?
26th of April.
April what?
15th.
26th.
26.
26, my lord.
as the court is 26
Any other date in April?
Another date in
Yes,
April?
my lord. 26, 27, 28.
26, 27, 28.
Yes, my lord.
So can you take 2 dates?
Okay.
Council.
26, 27.
26 and 27.
What we lost? 26 and 27. 26 and 27.
Is it convenient?
Very convenient.
By consent of council, case adjourned to 26th, 27th of April 2022 for definite continuation of hearing.
As my Lord. Lord, we are
For the next case, make sure you send these processes to court, to Abuja.
As court, please. NIC LKJ 11, 2018, between Mr. Babani Joshua Asoroche and 1. Kogi State Civil Service Commission, 2. The Governor of Kogi State, 3. Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Kogi State, 4. Kogi State Supreme. Claimant is in court, my lord. Defendant absent.
Claimant present.
Yes, my lord. Defendant absent.
Defendant absent. Very well. Are you ready to proceed? Appearance.
With proper respect to law, appear for the claimant. My name is Idigbe.
Who is talking to the court?
Counsel to the claimant. Counsel to the claimant.
What's your name? Unmute yourself. If it's Olukotu Adewumi, unmute yourself. Your phone is muted. So it's as if you are just talking in the courtroom without specifically talking to your system.
Yes, for that. Appear for the claimant.
AO.
Ajewole.
Very well. For the claimant. Any other appearance?
My lord, I appear with my colleagues. Ibukun Olukotun Esquire. AM Ogundino Esquire.
Just one counsel, please.
Ogundino Esquire. And MA Mofolorunsho Esquire. MA Mofolorunsho Esquire.
Only one person, only one name, only one name. With Ibukun Olukotun for the claimant. Any other appearance? Who is appearing for the defense? Who is counsel to the defendants? Counsel to the defendants.